Fabian Fernandez. I'm speaking on behalf of the Rima Choir, which is Tanya, Constance, Charles, Nevo. Today we were singing for the 6:15 Mass, which was celebrated by the whole entourage from Italy, all the cardinals and bishops who came. It was a wonderful experience. The whole atmosphere was very angelic and we had a very good experience. So we want to thank the priest, Patricio and all his team over here for giving us the opportunity to sing for this choir and have a lovely experience of St. Francis Xavier. St. Francis Xavier is blessing us all, and prior to this we had the adoration and we felt the experience of and the blessings of St. Francis Xavier. Thank you.